Here we'll take a look at creating a drawing in Autocad. In this case, we want to create a scale factor. Instead of being 1:1, we want to create a scale factor for this one of 3:4. Depends on the size of the part that we're making the drawing for. So this may change from time to time, but the process will be the same. I got my title block open here. I'm going to take this off for now so we can run through this process. When I switch back to the model, this is 1:1 scale, it's full size. What we want to do is we want to take a copy of this from our clipboard with a base point. Right click, clipboard, copy with a base point. For this one, any point will do. And we're going to come back to our A-size title block. When I right click, I want to clipboard and paste as a block. Keeping it as a block will essentially make this all one entity, and it will allow us to scale this without the dimensions changing. So should be pretty obvious that this doesn't fit or is not going to fit. So we want to scale this. If you want to put your layout lines for the X centering method on a while, you could. It should not really have any effect, or won't have any effect on it. You could do this after you scale it too. It would be fine. But now I want to take this whole thing and scale it. Since I pasted it as a block, the dimensions will stay. Everything's just going to look smaller. So in the toolbar up here, we'll grab scale. We just need to find a point. And we are looking for our dynamic input to say scale factor. If it keeps bouncing around and snapping to 15-degree angle increments or horizontal parallel lines, you might want to turn that off for a split second, like while you're doing this process. My cursor or dynamic input is saying scale factor. I want 3:4, which is 75%, which is 0.75. And I'm going to hit enter. All dimensions stayed the same. We are now going to take this and we're going to move it, put the two midpoints, the X centering method process here. And we'll come back and we'll delete our layout lines for centering. Come through, we'll edit the information in the title block, and then we'll be ready to print this. So we'll repeat this process throughout the course for different assignments that are due. All right, hopefully that helps.